Pinkfong. Hoi, hoi. Hoi, hoi. Subscribe. Hello, friends. This is the Pinkfong Car Hospital, where we fix broken cars. Oh! Oh no! It looks like the excavator, the mixer truck, and the bulldozer are all hurt. Let's give them a hand so that they can get back to work. Where are you hurting? What brings you here?
I got hurt while digging the ground. Ah!
Your strong arm has snapped. Oh no!
Ouch, ouch, it hurts. Please help me. Pinkfong, you can make my arm nice and strong again, right?
Of course! I can exchange your old arm for a shiny brand new one. Shall we get started then? Your broken arm must have bothered you. I'll take care of it. Phew! I unscrewed all the screws. The broken arm is really heavy. Let's get the robot arm to help us.
Oh.
Great job, Ninimo! Now let's replace it with a new sturdy arm. Which of these is the excavator's arm? Yeah, the second one!
Oh? This one is way lighter than my old one. No!
Ah! That's not the excavator's arm! That's a snake! Friends, we need to find the right arm for the excavator. Bang, bang! The correct arm for the excavator is... That's right!
Thank you so much, friends.
Your long, strong arm looks great!
Oh?
Excavator, help!
Huh? Who was that? I should get going. Off to save the day! Oh? I can get you out of there.
Thank you, Excavator!
Bus rescue success!
Ouch! Where are you hurting? What brings you here?
I got hurt while dumping the mud.
Your big drum has cracked. Oh no!
Ouch! I'm in pain. Please help me. The cement is getting all hard and it doesn't feel good, Pinkfong.
Wow! I'll work super duper fast. The cement has gotten so hard, it's not going to be easy getting the drum off. Let's use a hammer and laser to get rid of all this cement.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. All done. We broke off all the cement.
Ouch!
Oh, wow, that's a pretty big crack. Don't you worry, I can replace it with a stronger one. Ready, Ninimo? We've got the drum out! Now we need to replace it with a new one. Mixer truck, which one is your favorite?
Oh, I really like the colorful one.
Great!
I feel so much better. As good as new.
Your new colorful drum looks awesome!
Oh?
Mixer truck, please help!
Huh? Oh, something must have happened. Pinkfong, Ninimo, I better go.
Hey!
Off to save the day.
What should we do?
Don't you worry, I'll help you pass through.
Thank you, Mixer truck!
Fixing the road, success.
Where are you hurting? What brings you here?
I got hurt while moving the rocks. Ouch!
Your arm has fallen off. Oh no!
Ouch, ouch, my arm hurts so much. My left arm is broken. I need a strong new arm to move all the rocks. What should I do?
Don't worry, we can make you as good as new. Hey, friends, let's get the bulldozer a new arm. Should we give these two new arms a try? Awesome job, Ninimo! Oh! That's right! We helped fix the bulldozer's arm!
Wow, I feel super strong again.
I think it's time to go clean off all this mud. Off to the car wash. First, let's use bubbles to get squeaky clean.
Oh?
Now, wash off with water.
Ooh. Oh.
Lastly, use giant fans to get all dry.
Wow, squeaky clean.
Wow, you look ready to work again, bulldozer.
Help, bulldozer!
Oh, there's a friend in need. I better get going now. Off to save the day! Look at that huge pile of snow. Follow me, everyone.
Thanks, bulldozer!
It's so nice to see all our vehicle friends strong again.
Thank you so much for helping us.
Friends, thanks for all your help today. See you later. Bye! Hey, guys! Check out our fun games with Pinkfong Plus. Try it now for free.